In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the blower motor on this Toyota Prius. Let's get into it. Open the glove box. On the sides, there's two tabs. You want to just push those in, so this lowers a little more. Then on the side here, we'll just pop that off and grab the glove box and just pull towards the back of the car. Using a trim tool, we're going to pop this lower cover off. Just pop it down and it slides back. Using a 10mm socket, take these two bolts out. Grab this module, slide it out, and just set it to the side. There's a wire right here. Your retainer, you want to just pop that retainer down out of the way. Just use a trim tool. And this plate is screwed in. You need to take the screws out. Use a Phillips head screwdriver. Screw that's right there. Take those out. And it slides out. Disconnect the connector right here. Just push down on the tab, slide it off. Using an 8mm socket, you can take these bolts out. And grab the blower motor, and it slides right down. You can see on the blower motor where the bolts were in those three locations. Now we're going to swap the connector over to the new one. I'm just going to use a pick and you just go right inside there. Just twist. I'm just going to put it down. Twist and then pull the connector out. What you're doing with the pick is just pushing down on that tab right there. So push down on that tab and it slides right out. Take the new blower motor, slide the connector in, and lock it down. Now we're going to slide it back in position. Put the screws in. And right there. Now snug those down. Just snug, not too tight. It is plastic, so be careful. Take the connector, line it up, lock it down. Slide this panel in place. Make sure the wires go through. With all the screws started, tighten them down. Just snug, not too tight. Take this computer, slide it in place. Get the 2 screws started. Tighten those down. Just snug. Take this wire, line that retainer up, lock that down, and line this lower panel up. Lock it in place. Slide the glove box in down below. Before you slide it all the way up, take this damper, line that up. That clicks in place. And then push the glove box further in. You might have to push in the sides a little and close it up.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.